Can you bring scissors on airplane? It on their size and where you plan to store them. Scissors with blades measuring less than 4 inches, from the pivot point to the tip, are generally allowed in carry-on luggage, according to the Transportation Security Administration (TSA) regulations in the United States. However, the final decision rests with the TSA officer at the checkpoint, so it's always best to err on the side of caution if you have any concerns. Larger scissors or those with pointed tips must be packed in your checked luggage. For checked luggage, the TSA recommends sheathing or securely wrapping any sharp objects, including scissors, to prevent injury to baggage handlers and inspectors. Keep in mind that regulations can vary slightly between airlines and countries, so it's advisable to double-check the specific guidelines of your carrier and the destination country's security protocols if you have any doubts, particularly for oversized or unusual crafting or professional scissors. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.